was all my fault. I gave you everything. I loved you even much more than you deserved. I dedicated my time and everything all in loving you. Ever since you started this new attitude of yours, I know this was gonna happen. I know you love it whenever I cry. Whenever I'm unhappy, it makes you feel like a hero. You always love it. You can make me cry 1,000 times. But let me tell you, you can never make me lose my mind. I loved you. I loved you sincerely. I love you with everything. And I wouldn't give less to anyone I loved. I will never. Maybe this was why Mama always warned me never to fall in love. But I refused to adhere to warnings, and now look at me. Let me tell you, you can never make me lose my mind. Soon, I will get you out of my head. I will be back on my feet.